Where do I send my immigration case? Hi, my name is Audra Doyle, and I'm the owner and attorney of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. I practice immigration all over the United States, and today we're going to talk about where in the United States you are supposed to send your immigration applications. The answer is you have to look it up every single time. Now, a long time ago, when I first started practicing immigration law, maybe around 2008, I had a beautiful chart. I kept it right next to my desk, and I would consult the chart and say, okay, I'm going to file a marriage-based immigration petition. The client lives in Georgia, and check the chart. There's where I need to send the case. And it was the same every time. But as time has gone on, it has gotten more and more complicated. And so several years ago, I threw the chart in the trash. I don't keep a chart anymore. Every time that I send a case to immigration, every single time, I look it up. I look it up on the official immigration website, which is USCIS.gov for most of my applications. For example, in the past couple of years, we have a new office that is accepting applications if people are residents in certain states. We have workflows being changed around on a regular basis. So something that I used to send to California now goes to Texas. Something that I used to send to Texas now goes to Chicago, and so on and so forth. So my recommendation to you is do not keep a chart. Do not rely on old information. Whenever we are mailing in a case, I personally will go look up on the day I'm ready to file where the case is supposed to go. It is changing that much. Now, the next thing to know is that although you're mailing your case to a specific location, it may not stay there. They have these intake centers, these mail offices. There's two big ones, one in Texas, one in Phoenix, Arizona. There's another one in Chicago. And after the cases are received at those locations, they could be sent out again to maybe a field office or to the service center that will be adjudicating the case. So what you can do next is look at your receipt notice that you get from immigration, and it should have 3 letters at the beginning of the receipt number. And those 3 letters are a great starting point to figure out where your case is. For example, if it says SRC, then I know the case is at the Texas Service Center. If it says WAC, that's the California Service Center. If it says MSC, that's a tricky one. That's the Missouri Service Center. But if it's a family-based case and I know that that family is going to have an interview, such as for a marriage case, then I'm going to go check the field office where I know the case will eventually land. So these days, trying to figure out where to send your case, my advice is you just need to look it up every single time. And also, where the case eventually is located could be a very different place from where you mailed it at the beginning. Now, the last tip for you today on mailing cases to immigration is you must track your package. Make sure that you have a trackable service such as Priority Mail, UPS, FedEx, and make sure that you know the day the case was received and keep that evidence. Keep proof that your case arrived on time to immigration. If you have any questions, I hope you will reach out and contact us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and use your alert button to make sure that you know when I have new videos coming out. Have a great day.